I'm sure you can recall a scene from a movie where we see a world through a dog's eyes, and it's either blurred or completely black and white. But is that depiction true, or is it just another Hollywood lie? Let's find out. So, the myths about dogs' vision start as early as our childhood. Just watch the clip from All Dogs Go to Heaven, where the two dogs argue over the color of the pipes.
Water mean?
No, Charlie, water means are green. This is red.
You're colorblind. You've always been colorblind.
That's true, but this is green.
It's red.
I remember when I was younger, I thought that dogs were colorblind and that they couldn't see colors at all. But that's not true. They can see some colors, so a better term to describe their vision when compared with ours would be colored impaired, as their range differs from what we can see. Color blindness happens when our color receptors are damaged, and people can be affected either by red-green blindness, so they can't see the difference between the two, or blue-yellow color blindness, which affects the perception of these colors. Studies such as this one suggest that when we talk about dogs' vision, it's similar to someone with red-green blindness, with no other color blindness recorded. In proper terms, dogs' limited color vision is called dichromatic vision. Our eyes have 3 types of cones to identify red, blue, and yellow and their combinations. But when it comes to our dogs, they are born with only 2 color receptors for blue and yellow. So, our pups can definitely see colors, but not in the entire spectrum as we do. When we study this picture, red can appear to them like brown, grey, or even black. Purple is just blue, and all yellow, orange, and green are just yellow. They don't see the vibrant tones of colors and aren't as sensitive to changes in brightness. Blue and yellow are dominant colors in their eyes. Apart from the color spectrum, what are the other differences between us and our dogs? I mentioned brightness, and because of the lower sensitivity, it could make their vision a little blurred or muted. However, they do have some advantages over us too. So, dogs have more rod cells in the retina. These detect motion, meaning canine vision is much better at detecting small movements at larger distances. Their eyes are at the side of their heads a bit more, which also adds to their peripheral vision. Plus, dogs' pupils can dilate fully, and they have reflective cells under the retina, forming what's called tapetum. It reflects the light back through the retina, making the eyes glow at night and also seeing better in low light. So, it's not all that bad for our furry friends. Dogs' vision is not as black and white as the movies make us believe. Yes, they might be limited in some aspects, but they have the upper hand in the things like detecting movement and low light perception, which would make sense for hunting, right? Knowing all of that, we can make better choices when getting a new toy or even planning a training session, as it can make all of the difference when we consider how our dogs view the world and how different it is from ours. Benji enjoys all scent work related activities, and one of the scents he's trained on is red Kong. Now, choosing it was intentional, as we all now know dogs can't see red. So when I hide that small piece of Kong for Benji to find, I can easily see it, but he has to use his nose to find it. Have you ever considered your pup's color vision when getting them a new toy or for training? Let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe.